Almost out. All done. Are you gonna paint yourself? Good. Okay. I guess we're just gonna have to hose you down after this. Hose? Green! And it's on your forehead too, bud. Good job. Good painting. Good painting. All done? It's all done? Any more in there? You got some!
What?
Where is it all? No. Good boy. No. Dylan, no. Good boy. Good, you got some on the brush. Now paint the paper. Paint the paper. No, not your fingers. Your fingers are already painted. Paint the paper. Look. Wee. Good. Good job, buddy. Good painting.